If you have any type of business and you're not using a CRM yet, you're missing out on so many leads. Your leads don't sign up with you day one. They sign up with you in the future after they trust you and you remind them. Really cool. I went to ChatGPT. I said, hey, build me a landing page in GoHighLevel, create it and design it based on my brand. Make sure it's HTML coded. What I'm going to do today, just to show you how cool this is, I'm just going to drag and drop that HTML code. I'm going to click on that, open the editor. I'm going to paste in the code ChatGPT gave me, and there it is. So you can see that this is the full website and my landing page that I can use. And ChatGPT literally built this for me in seconds. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. In my videos, I share my screen and break down the exact steps that you and your team can follow to actually implement and set up marketing and advertising for your business. In today's video, I'm going to break down why we switched from HubSpot paying $800 a month to GoHighLevel and give you a sneak peek so you can see exactly how it works. So now let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So very first screen when you first log in, you're going to see is your dashboard. Now your dashboard is going to give you that broad overview of all your analytics, your leads, and everything that's been coming in this quarter, this week, this month, whatever analytics you want to show there. The next thing you're going to see is an Ask AI is a brand new feature that this exactly why I'm making this video, because all of the new AI features that GoHighLevel has included. So what I basically did was I came to Ask AI and I said, hey, can you help me build an automation for my calendar? And you can see it's gone ahead and thought about the request on the right, similar to ChatGPT, and then it's saying, what's the main goal? So you can actually have GoHighLevel set up all of this for you automatically. I want to make sure that I'm going to send emails and texts from that calendar. Now, once you tell it what you want, it's going to start actually building this in your account. This is going to save you time and it's going to save you money and it's going to help you finally automate your business. Now we'll come back to this in just a minute. The next thing we want to look at is calendars. This is one of the most requested features that I get asked about. A lot of businesses that we work with, they either do online appointments or in-person appointments. Now this all connects with your Google and Outlook calendars easily. Now I can log into either the app on my phone or I can look right here on the desktop to see all of my upcoming appointments for either myself or my users. From there, I can go ahead and create new calendars and set those up, whether it's a virtual meeting or an in-person meeting. You can see I have a list of them here. It's really easy to share those calendars and you can grab all of these right from the app as well. You can put this in your email signature. You can send it by email. You can even embed it in your website. You can see right here on our website, we have it embedded in our site. So we don't make people leave our site to go to our calendar. They can go right to this page and they can pick a time and they can choose from there. You can customize this form to ask any questions to make sure they're a good fit before scheduling a meeting with you. From there, when you click on new calendar, you can choose all kinds of different options. One-on-one, round robins if you have more than one person, class bookings, or you can even set up services if you need to drive to a location. If you choose service location, you can choose all of your staff members that you want to show up. You can make the service name, you can make the URL, and you can make the length. You can make it by days, hours, however you'd like. You can even say to accept payments. Once you set that up, you'll add your logo, your URL, and you want to add it to a group if you have more than one person. You can add as many staff as you like, and you can also make high priority if you want your main person to go, or it can go to second or third priority. It's really easy to update your availability. You can either update your availability for per staff or for your entire company. You can also set up booking rules, which I really think are really cool. How long, the interval, minimum scheduling notice, the date range, and even some buffer time. From there, you can customize the forms so you can ask those questions before they schedule, like their address, what type of service that they need, and exactly more about what they're looking for when they're booking with you. You can even set it up to accept payments so you can get paid beforehand, or you can even get a down payment and get auto bill after. Set up notifications so you never miss a meeting, allow them to reschedule, cancel, and make sure you all get notified as well. You can even set up all the automations to make sure you follow up. From there, you can make it look exactly how you like, and then you can go and connect your, okay, let's go back to the AI and let's see what it built. So it said exactly what we want to set up, the trigger when somebody schedules an appointment, the confirmations, the reminders and the follow-ups, and even exactly what happens after somebody books with you. From there, you can actually have it go ahead and build it right inside the CRM. The next thing I want to review are opportunities. This is something a lot of people use. You can set this up to automate it so you can see that anyone that comes in on our website automatically gets added under a new lead and gets a value assigned. From there, if they schedule, they'll automatically get moved to the schedule form once the proposal's sent and if they won or lost. This will update your analytics and your stats so you have a full view of your business every day, every week, or every month. From there, you can customize this however you'd like. You can set up tasks, notes, payments, and even associated companies with the deal. You can sync the phone number. It'll automatically pull from all the data that you already have from your current CRM, your other email marketing software, or any one that comes in from your website. They're going to be in different pipelines, different stages, and different values. You can assign this to different members, really unlimited possibilities here. Next thing I want to review is your automations. You can set up unlimited automations and you can even build them using AI. As an example, this is the automation that we use. So anyone that fills out a form on our website gets a welcome email, and this will all sync with your business emails to make sure you hit the inbox. You can have the sender name, the sender email, subject line, even the pre-header text to get higher open rates, and then the full email. Now, don't worry, all your emails don't have to be plain text. You can also create templated emails that look nice with your branding. All you have to do is click on the left to see the stats, and it'll start pulling up the stats for every single email. You can see our stats here as an example. Now the builder is really cool. All you have to do is hit the plus icon and it's going to give you unlimited access to the actions on the right side here. You can set up all kinds of different automations, probably more than any other CRM I've ever seen. You can see scrolling here. Some other things I want to point out is the marketing. We use the social media planner on a daily basis. We go and we automate and schedule all of our social media posts on every single channel. You can come back and see the full stats. You can even see comments and what people are saying online, either about your brand or your business. And you can just explore this to grow your business with social media. They have other things like email templates, countdown timers, affiliate, and brand boards. Now it's really easy to copy and sync your emails, your calendars, everything here, so you can connect and track all of your conversations in one place so you never miss a lead. Now the contact area is awesome. You can see full visibility on all the contacts, when your contacts came in, even the last time that they were active on your site, and any tags associated with them. I'm going to go ahead and click on myself here, and you're going to see full visibility into all the actions. So if we take a look, you can see everything that I've done on the website on the right side. If you go to our website, you'll see a live chat option. This is actually a GoHighLevel chat, also our calendar, and all of our forms are synced here. Additionally, you can see all the emails, texts, and calls that have gone back and forth between myself and the company. You can see the appointments and all the details. You'll be able to go and see all the companies I'm associated with, all the opportunities I'm part of, all the tasks that have been assigned, all the notes that have been left about me, and then all the appointments that we've done, whether that's past or in the future. Any documents, like if I've signed documents and if I paid through GoHighLevel, it'll be synced here as well. And then from there, you can have unlimited information on the left side. You can add all of the tags, all of the fields. You can see. Now, one of the coolest things is sites. You can build sales funnels with multiple steps. So I'm going to show you our X blueprint here. You can design these, you can import them, and you can go ahead and customize them. They all have templates and different styles. You can see my sales funnel starts with the homepage. Once they fill out that, they go to the thank you page. And then if they decide to fill that out, then they go to the schedule page. So it's really easy to set this up. You can set up split tests. You can also see all of the stats and analytics. From there, you can set up any forms, quizzes, and surveys. Now you probably clicked and watched this video for this exact part here. So like I promised, this is the new AI agent builder. It's going to help you set up all the AI automation so you never miss your customers. When you come in here, you can set up agents, you can set up calls, you can set up any type of live chats and text messages. You can even have them automatically book appointments and get you 5-star reviews. You can see all of the features here. We actually use our phone number with the voice AI, where we've trained an agent to answer our calls. Now you can take a look here. You can go back and look at all the history on how many answered calls, exactly who called, and the summary of the call, so you know exactly who and what to call back. Just like I mentioned before, this all connects with your app, so you can answer, send texts, and send out calls to any customer or contact like a full normal phone number. You can then create any agents you want, and then you can create your conversational AI. This is where you can go and create that person to actually answer and be trained on your company information. Once you choose your avatar, you simply just click on them. You can listen, you can change their voice, and you can train them from there. We've also trained all of our agents with our FAQs and all of our information, and then you can see exactly what your agents are doing on a daily or weekly or monthly basis. Okay, now the coolest part, we're going to actually build a website with AI. So if we go to sites, you can actually build a website. You're going to click on website. Now they have thousands of templates that you can choose from. You can go click on those and you can look through them. You can build your entire website like this, or you can build landing pages. And that's what I'm going to show you next. You can go ahead and choose different categories that you want to build it on. You can preview it, or you can simply choose it, and it'll actually add the template and build a whole website for you. It's easier than ever to edit this. Use AI to set up different sections, create unlimited pages. You can connect all of the forms, and everything is completely synced in your CRM, so you never have to go and do any work. It's going to be truly automated for you and your business. The live chat, the pages, and the SEO is all going to be built in. So just like that, with a few clicks of a button, we have a full page with multiple pages as well. The booking page that will automatically sync with your calendar, and all of the forms that you can go ahead and sync. Once you build the site, you're going to see all of the pages that you can come in and make any changes to. But for today, I want to show you something really cool. I went to ChatGPT. I said, hey, build me a landing page in GoHighLevel, create it and design it based on my brand, make sure it's HTML coded. So I went ahead and made this and copied it. I'm going to go back to GoHighLevel and I'm going to create a new website, and I'm going to go ahead and create a blank website called landing page. Okay, once it's set up, you're going to see that it gives me all these options, stats. It's going to see the sales, security, everything I need to have a full functioning website. I'm going to just call this the home page. And then we're going to say the path. This is the URL. Okay. Now once it's set up, you're going to see all of these options on the left. I can set up sections, rows, all the elements, videos, images, really anything I want. They even have pre-built sections and save sections if you ever want to use it. What I'm going to do today, just to show you how cool this is, I'm just going to drag and drop that HTML code. I'm going to click on that, open the editor. I'm going to paste in the code ChatGPT gave me. You can use this from any AI software and any code you can customize. And there it is. So you can see that this is the full website and my landing page that I can use. And you can see this is all HTML coded, and ChatGPT literally built this for me in seconds. Okay, now I am an affiliate with GoHighLevel. I use them. I recommend them. We actually build accounts. If you have a CRM or don't have one yet, make sure you reach out to AutomationLinks to set this up and include this entire template for you so you can get started easily. You'll find my affiliate link down below. Once you click on that, you're going to see it references Brad Smith, and it's going to give you a free trial so you can go ahead and get that set up. Once you set up, go to our website, AutomationLinks, fill out our contact form, and let us know the email you used to sign up, and somebody from my team will reach out to you so we can go implement it. Once you're on the site, all you have to do is go through, look at all the information, see if it's a good fit for you, and go ahead and get signed up. Now, I recommend just starting with the $97 a month plan. That gives you unlimited contacts, unlimited users, everything you need to truly automate your business. You don't need anything else. This is what we use. We switch from paying $800 a month to $97 a month unlimited. Now, if you need any help setting this, make sure you reach out to my team, and I'll be more than happy to help you get this all automated and set up for your business. And as promised, if you use my affiliate link and you reach out to us on the contact form, let us know what email you use, and we'll transfer our full automation template to you so you can get started quickly and already have everything pre-built to truly automate your business. If this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow and helps us keep making helpful videos. Every Wednesday at 12, we release one, so make sure you stay subscribed and check out this playlist right here if you want to keep learning about marketing and automation. Thanks again for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.